Introducing the 2012 Infiniti G37. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Infiniti prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, and remote keyless entry. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.